What? At the world, it's not a plan. Here, me I say, no, man, a franchise to choosing one, The 10-star general. And you know, anytime me I represent, know a loud explosion. Each and every time when I drop necessary equipment. What? Right now, You don't know, Today, the 31st, You know the general bird strong, You see what I deal with? I'm still a keep it real. Because I have 13 days when I can take off of the job and still get paid for it. But today a Friday, I go out there because, things crazy out there. And we have to out on the street with the action there. What? You hear me I say? Right about now, I see some local man, I jump up and them I say, right now, Popcorn never want no unity until him do him album. Here what go on now. And that with we now, as Jamaican, when we going to stop them fuck with it? Why we are trying to look and point a finger? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter when the man come and say that. The fact remaining him ready right now. What am I going to do about it? Yeah, I'm ready for unity right now. So what am I going to do about it? We must do point finger and I watch through the man drop him album and the man album a blast up the whole place. And that's why I don't have bad mind, I tell you something, I say since this vendetta thing come in, act like you want to separate dancehall. And that you act like, Then I tell you something, Gaza are the biggest banger you ever have in a dancehall. You don't have nothing but banging like that, Gaza. You know what I mean? YouTube and the world know and no lie, me I tell. Because here we go on now. You see, if we are talk, all the way you talk, say, did make no sense. You talk about the man now, say them thing there until him do him album. Yo, Popcorn no need that thing there from you, my virgin. Because Popcorn already there on top, which way you supposed to already know that, Popcorn there on top without a US visa, you. Try recognize that, dog. Vibes Cartel run the whole world without a United States visa, So try remember that, Gaza are the biggest banger you ever have. You hear me, I tell you? And when Gaza, demolish Gully, Remember, rise MVP, and think could have go around, Remember, teacher there in a prison, Remember, teacher there in a prison, and rise MVP, and all rise that, and think it's a powerhouse pack. Still can't go around Gaza. So where the fuck you talk, say? Where you talk, say, no make no sense. You see what I deal with? So I don't know where all of them eat that argument for. The fact is remain that the general ready now. Unruly say I'm ready for unity now and the dancehall need that. What we gonna do about it? Still stand up and point finger. A clown thing when I go on with my virgin. A clown thing when I go on with. Stop going like say I wanna bring the segregation in this shit, with a liar thing and them thing they are not show no respect, Let me tell you something. You think you don't respect me, you think me I gonna show you respect? And this another day when people and these days another days them where people afraid of people. Them think that dash a long time and done with. You know what I mean? So to my afraid I have to force to show you respect. Not a Ross. We not deal with them things. They don't respect me, I don't respect you neither. I saw it go, you have to give respect, forget respect. You know what I mean? And you go like, know what cause this big bang of fusion. My sister, you love come on YouTube and tell like, you want me spell it out for you straight? I want me enough people. Let me tell you something. Why? You think at the song them with Alkaline really do? Why enough people have that type of feeling about him? No, another song them. Waiting I'm image? No, I'm not image. Or the way the youth go on. You don't know that, man? Or the way the youth go on. The youth all tough and say nah show no respect nah, nothing at all. Because the youth don't know say. A Vibes Cartel thing. Them, him come underneath it and him hide that from the world and ride upon that. And him seriously about it too. You see me, I jump and I fall and I go like say, yo, some sister, no for you, You follow false doctrine and run go down the blood clot hill, No for some look a sell out, We know the blood clot truth. We know say a cartel him idolize. You see what I deal with? And him fail for come and take no interview and say that. You know what I mean? Him go against that. You see me? And go like say then him want respect. Oh, you gonna get respect. You can't lie and get respect. You already lie to the people them already with the tattoo eye business. You already lie about that already and you get you and people upset you. You know what I mean? And people ask you about dancehall artists. There ain't no dancehall artist this brother you say him rate. Him listen to all type of music. Him not have no artist where him rate. Come on, I fuck where you chat about man, then how the fuck you do dancehall? What inspire you to do a dancehall? Eh? Where you get the inspire from? Yo, all them fuck with the uno not talk about, you know. Remember, you know, I got a whole heap of video I do and say this man, you know. Remember the youth tell not nice, you know. Say, you know, them a talk about cartel controversial. Watch. Them not see nothing yet. So, tell me, who my follow? Eh? Who my follow and him hide all of that? I know go like you want live the lie and live the low. And I know put pressure upon the youth because what you want to do? No want size the man up against teacher. And teacher do 17 blood clot here in the business and lock it down straight. And you want size him up to the man. And when you see same work ethic can't compare to the man, why you think people are saying him a fall off right now? And only all the youth and make the youth just do him thing, you know. And everything good and Christian do him thing, you know. Nobody wanna pray him like that. No, but you know want size him up. You know want size him up against the best. You see what I did? And when the work ethic now push out, people are ball and say him a fall off. You ever hear people say Vybz Kartel fall off on music yet? All when Vybz Kartel now do not tune, you ever hear people say Vybz Kartel fall off yet? Because why? Kartel have too much bumbuckler tune for fall off. Kartel now have to do one more tune. Kartel now have to do one more tune in a history. Kartel can live off him fucking 17 years worth of catalog. Him now have to do a next tune in a history. Him can't do that. Him can't do that. A real thing me I tell about. Him can't do that. Him can't even make the ear done and him not find no more hit song. Otherwise a ras your ear. If him make the ear ever done and him not find no more hit song, I make Rising King and them look at you, they blast up the place, a massacre them, a burn down the place, said we a ras you got ear on YouTube. A different kekla fish you got ear. You think of them thing that you got ear about fall off, a different kekla fish you got ear. You not got hear that from me now, cause you see me? Me talk the truth on YouTube. Me not come here so for bring down no body thing. I say although me represent for Gaza and Alliance, everything when me chat a real thing me I talk. Me not really talk fuckery for Gaza and Alliance. Me not have to talk, me can't talk about Gaza for every day. Go back to the next year and the other year, I can't run out of argument. That's how much bumbuckler thing Gaza have to talk about, my virgin. That's how much Gaza established, my virgin. So no man can't